When it comes to fusing aerospace-grade innovation with artistic design, Pitaka continues to redefine what a phone case can be. The ultra-slim case for the iPhone 17 Pro is more than just protection. It's a statement of craftsmanship, precision, and modern minimalism. Inspired by the serene transition from sunset to moonrise, this case captures elegance in motion while offering unmatched tactile finesse and everyday practicality. The unboxing feels refined, almost ceremonial, a hallmark of Pitaka's premium design language. Inside the minimalist black packaging, the case lies nestled in soft padding, its subtle gradient weave catching the light beautifully. The unboxing includes a product information card, warranty details, and a note celebrating Pitaka's weaving plus craftsmanship philosophy. Every detail whispers sophistication before you even touch the case. The Pitaka Ultra Slim case for iPhone 17 Pro is a masterpiece of form meeting function. Impossibly light, exquisitely thin, and artfully woven with aerospace precision. It's not just a case. It's a tactile experience that transforms how your iPhone feels in hand. For minimalists, design lovers, and tech purists alike, this case delivers everything you want: beauty, practicality, and innovation in one stunning package. The Pitaka Ultra Slim case redefines what premium minimalism means. It protects your iPhone 17 Pro without hiding its beauty, a perfect fusion of technology and artistry.